Hey guys, it's Josh back again with another detailing bundle. This one here is perfect for anyone looking to dip their toe into the world of machine polishing. In this kit, you're going to get the DAS6 V2. We've recently taken these into stock after having one on test. We were really impressed with how it performs. It's quite low vibration as well, and at this price point, it comes in really nice. Also in the bundle, you're going to get this Menzerna 3-in-1 compound. That's going to cut, finish, and it's got a sealant in there as well, so it's all bases covered for your paint correction. To pair with your compound here, you've got the 3 pads from Labocosmetica. You've got the heavy cut, the medium cut, and the finishing. In the kit as well, you're also going to get 10 of the Rag Company's premium all-purpose towels for buffing away that polish residue to reveal the shine. I put together this bundle as I thought it'd be a great Christmas present for the detailer in your life. This kit's now live on the Clean and Shiny website, and of course there is a cheeky little discount for you there as well. Join me back here again tomorrow for the next bundle of Kit Week, and keep it clean, keep it shiny.